Let's talk more game. Handa na kami.
Ilang. Malakas ako kapag gamit ko yung Choga.
Feeling ko yun lang yung hero na ginagamit niya pag tournament.
Kung sino ka man nagsabi sa akin yan, daan na lang natin sa laro. Ban Chogat, please.
Itong past weeks, parang may ayaw na ako sa kanila kasi parang sinabihan nila yung RKT. Narinig ko lang po Sinabihan nila yung RKT na may attitude problem.
Siguro kailangan muna nilang tapatan lahat kami. Kailangan galingan nila. Kailangan may patunayan muna sila bago nila kami sabihan ng kung ano.
Sino mas magaling? Siyempre, ako.
Great moments are born of great opportunity. And the mighty are those who yearn for victory. Glory comes only to those who seek. For triumph is the emblem of legends. Who will reign supreme?
Welcome, Summoners! I'm your host, Ian, and this is Rumble Royale Cute Division.
Last Tuesday, we met the Rainbow Kitties, led by the best female player in the country, RKT Black. Facing off against them is MBG, who hopes to topple RKT with the help of the one looking to challenge RKT Black's top spot, MBG Shane.
Now we ask you, the fans, to vote for your pick. So if you haven't voted yet, head on over to rumbleroyale.com and vote now.
Free League of Legends skins, right points, and other great giveaways are up for grabs every time you tune into Rumble Royale. Just go to our website, rumbleroyale.com, to register for free, or log in with your Facebook and watch the pre-match show every Tuesday, featuring the 2 Philippine League of Legends teams that will go head-to-head that week. Vote on who you think will win and watch the battle show every Saturday. If your vote wins, you get spin tokens that you can use to spin our spin to win wheel for a chance to get free prizes. It's that easy. Just watch, vote, spin, and reign supreme. For more details, find us on these following links.
Rumble Royale is currently looking for graphic artists, animators, video editors, shoutcasters, and interns to join us and be part of our production crew. Rumble Royale is also looking for sponsors and investors to help with the cause. Rumble Royale Philippines 2014.
Reign supreme.
We also ask other pro teams to give us their pick. Let's see which side they're on.
RKT. Tingin ko RKT. Malakas kasi talaga si Rox eh. Tingin ko mas mananalo yung RKT over MBG. Kasi mas madalas naglalaro yung RKT.
I think in terms of mechanics and individual plays, mas ahead yung RKT.
So nakikita ko na mas praktisado sila. Tapos feeling ko yung problema ng MBG sa team nila is makaka-apekto sa gameplay nila. So, I'll go to RKT.
I know a lot of people are riding the Rainbow Kitties bandwagon right now, but for this one, I'm going to have to go with MBG. MBG Shane, man, enough said. We'll see. We'll see.
We also asked the Rumble Royale community, and here's what they have to say. The voting for the winners has now been closed. Let's see who you, the fans, voted for.
Voting is heavily in favor of Rainbow Kitties. Let's see if the fans are right.
We took the pros to a trip down memory lane when we asked them about their very first champion.
Si Jarvan. Kasi, una kasi nakafocus kasi ako sa itsura talaga, hindi joke lang. Ang gapo kasi, tapos ang saya gamitin.
Shinzao, kasi free siya eh, nung panahon yun. At saka yun yung nakikita kong ginagamit din ng kuya ko.
Kasi parang ang cute-cute niya.
Si
Si Jana, kasi si Jana yung kasama sa free, tapos siya lang yung nag-iisang babae nung nag-time na naglaro ako. Tapos ayun, tinry ko lang yung dash.
Okay. So yung, libre ng champion. Tapos sabi ng kaibigan ko na ito yung pinaka-basic para matuto ako.
My first champ, of course, si Ash. Kasi siya yung una kong ginamit sa tutorials.
Vladimir ata ako nun. Tapos, okay naman. 3-0 naman agad ako. Parang basic lang kasi yung naintindihan ko. Lumulubog-lubog lang eh.
Akali, ang sexy niya kasi. Lalo na yung sayaw niya, single ladies. Tapos ayun, yun nga, naglaro na ako as in Aurelia. Kasi para sa akin, ang lakas niya. Well, until now, malakas pa rin siya. Kaso nerf na.
Rondel. Ayun, kasi mahilig ako sa mga malalaki katawan tapos pangit yung mukha.
Let's head on over to our shoutcasters for strategy.
Ayan, thank you, In. And eto na. I'm Kajo and I'm with Captain PH. So ayan, discussion tayo pre-match. Ano sa tingin mo ang mangyayari ngayong gabi?
Since prominent members is Erica and Black, which is Rox, they're the more prominent members. I guess this matchup will be Rox against Erica.
So mid lane na magiging labanan ngayon.
And it's usually the most aggressive lane. So we will
tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Pero ito, medyo sisegue tayo dito. Shane Abina, background history niya, as far as I know, supposedly dapat IPT din pala siya dito kasi dati niyang team member siya dati ng Exile.
Ng DNC. What happened was nung DNC was transitioning to a new team, which is Exile. So, if we think about it, in a different universe probably, kung nagkataon, we could have seen IPT Shane.
Wow, so medyo mabigat-bigat na ang pangalan. Pero yun nga, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari doon sa laban mamaya. Pero rest assured, ang pinaka-hot issue dito is the mid lane since they both came from one team which is Pawn Stars before. So again, sa mga nanonood, hold your fingers and tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo ngayong gabi. Again, okay, thank you very much. Back to you.
Now that we've heard those insights, let's go ahead and meet our teams. And now for our Monster matchup for tonight. Brought to you by Monster Energy Drink, Unleash the Beast.
Our Monster matchup for tonight is MBG Shane versus RKT Jav. RKT Jav's early game lane bully style will clash with MBG Shane's late game hyper carry champion pool. It'll be up to these markswomen to dictate the pace and the result of the game.
Before the battle begins, players, do you have anything to say?
Sa totoo lang, Aika, hindi ko gusto yung ganito eh. Alam mo naman kung gaano tayo magkaibigan, di ba?
Oo naman, pero dito na talaga natin mapag-aalaman kung sino ba talaga nagpapapilot sa atin dito, di ba?
Siyempre. Alam mo naman, may armor tayo.
Para pa tayo may buffs, pero tingin ko madudurog talaga kayo sa atin.
Makikita natin yan sa dance floor.
Dance floor? Bakit dance floor?
Sasayaw kayo sa akin.
So, dito na lang. Okay na yun. Good luck. Tsaka, galingan nyo ah.
Sige, kumipop na lang kayo.
Now let's see some sportsmanship. Now let's all go to the rift to see who will reign supreme.
Okay, Okay, so good evening sa inyong lahat. Welcome to another match here at Rumble Royale at magkalaban ngayong gabi, RKT and MBG. I'm Kajo and I'm with
Captain PH.
Ayan, so champion select na tayo. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mga bans nila. Bans for MBG. Wow, hindi nagdadalawang isip. LeBlanc.
That was a fast ban, ano?
Yes.
Maybe they don't want the dominance in LeBlanc.
Yes.
This is a buy ban from RKT.
Medyo nagulat ako na I wasn't expecting na girl teams, ito honestly speaking, I wasn't expecting that girl teams are that serious pagdating sa sa matchups nila. Pero tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Ayan nga, ban ngayon, second ban for Team MBG, Karma, and follow up by
Jax. And interesting to note, the Karma ban was a bit weird, you know? It's not as strong anymore, but the Jax ban is a good ban. I mean, Jax is very strong in the top lane.
Pero may nakikita tayo ditong trending para sa Team MBJ. They are focusing on the mid lane dito sa pagban. We're seeing Lulu again. And dito naman sa RKT, it's a different strategy naman.
It's more top lane oriented. It's a Vi, it's a Jax, and a Renekton. So, I guess they have their own strategies for this one. They are coming to this game prepared.
Yes, honestly speaking, kahit ako being shoutcasting a lot of games, I could not predict kung ano magiging strategy nila. This is the first time that I'm about to see an all-girl team match.
Yes,
promise.
I'm very excited here to see what kind of strategies are they going to pull out with this one, ano? So we will see.
Ayan, habang inaantay natin lineups for MBG, MBG Jonray, MBG Michi, Erika, Shane, and Aika. For RKT naman, we have Nyx, Jelly, Black, Jav, and Ro. Medyo nakakahumaling pero huwag kayong magkakamali, palaban tong mga to. Kung nanood kayo nung episode natin last Tuesday, grabe ang mga kala mo mga lalaki.
No? For the first pick for MBG, it's a Janna pick. Again, like last week, partner.
Ano ba to? Disipulo ba to ni Carlo? Pwede. And let's see kung ano magiging sagot dito ng Rainbow Kitties. So, excited na.
I'm very excited.
I'm not, hindi ko technically sila kilala personally, but the way I see how things are going, napaka-brusko ng lineup dito ng Rainbow Kitties.
Machuhan, pre.
Machuhan dito, hindi porket babae, hindi ka na pwedeng gumamit ng Shen and Shen Zhao.
And you know they're not in this just to be cute, because they're picking seriously macho champs that
mukhang talagang intense to. And also, going back to the teaser video, medyo matindi rin ang storya nito. Both Erika and RKT Black came from the same team before, which was Pawn Stars. So tingnan natin on how would they manage their respective teams tonight. And eto na nga tayo, second and third pick para sa team MBG, Lucian and Morgana.
For RKT naman, they picked Xin Zhao and Shen.
Ayan,
macho talaga.
Ayan, antayin natin kung sino magiging third and fourth pick dito ng Team Rainbow Kitties. But so far, this Lucian and Morgana, if ever na maging support dito si Morgana, anong masasabi mo dun sa combo with
I'd say it has good synergy. Maganda rin yung Black Shield ni Morgana for Lucian, ano? So hindi siya basta nadadive kasi he doesn't have a lot of escapes. Pero we will see with RKT how will they react kasi parang protektado masyado.
Yes, and eto na nga tayo, fourth and fifth pick para sa Team MBG. We have Kha'Zix and Shyvana. So mukhang sinagot nila ang tankiness ng Team RKT. Pero on the other hand, looking at the pick of Team RKT, we have Leona and Oriana. So mukhang pang machuhan talaga.
Machuhan talaga ang tema natin ngayong araw na ito.
Ayan, so ayan, quote of the day, hindi porket babae ka, wala ka ng balls.
Yes. Parang coins lang.
Ayan, parang coins ko lang last week. Okay. And tingin mo, with what you're seeing right now, kanino mo ibebet ang iyong coins?
It's hard to say, but I will have to go with RKT.
At yan, eto na, game on na tayo. Start na ng game, medyo nagpapahinga muna yung mga champions natin. Ayaw nating ma-stress ang ating mga ladies while playing. Pero yun na, Kha'Zix gumalaw na. And game on na tayo. Again, sa lahat ng kakatunin pa lang, this is Medyo Bad Girl versus the Rainbow Kitties. At yan, wow!
Things going out.
Okay, recap tayo with regards to the lineup. We have Shyvana, Kha'Zix, Morgana, Lucian, and Janna for MBG. Samantalang for RKT,
we have Shen, we have Xin-Zhao, we have Oriana, Caitlyn, and Leona.
Yan. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari ngayong gabing ito. We're seeing here that MBG is a little bit spread out. So,
maybe they're playing for a safe level 1. We'll see.
Ayaw. So, technically, by the way, as we are looking at the map, ayaw nilang magpa-invade. Pero, countered, halos mirror din ang strategy dito ng RKT. So,
they're playing for safe level 1 siguro.
Wala mo nang agawan ng buffs.
Wala mo nang aggression. Friends muna, mamaya na tayo.
Friends muna tayo. Mamaya na tayo magkalmutan.
Sampalan, kalmutan, sabo na tayo.
Yan. Habang medyo may nag-aantay tayo ng intense action. Again, histories behind the teams. As far as I know, yun nga, they both came from Pawn Stars. This is a well-established team before. Okay. And seeing that
minions have spawned,
a former teammate rooting for another team and naging team leaders na sila, it shows very much that girl teams are not that much sikat pero they exist.
Yes, and masasabi natin they're starting to be competitive. They have their own brands. They are competing na. So
and meron pang challenger sa kanila.
Yes.
Yes, so yan. Hindi porket babae, wala nang arit. At yan, blue buff started by the team, red buff rather started by Team MBG, samantalang RKT going for the blue buff.
So partner, masasabi natin dito with they say Shane is a legitimate challenger na babae. So can we say girls got game?
Oo naman. So ayan,
GGG.
pasintabi po sa mga lalaking naglalaro. Okay. Medyo
di po porket babae wala nang game.
Yan.
Huwag po nating lagay.
Baka mas marami pa silang ball sa inyo. But nonetheless, line up for the bot lane. Lucian, Janna versus Leona, Caitlyn. Anong masasabi mo dito?
Lucian, Janna versus Leona, Caitlyn. I'd say maganda yung Leona pick. And the Janna pick is, I would say, good. Kasi pag pinasok siya ni Leona, she can feel for Lucian. So we will see what will happen here. But definitely, Caitlyn has to put the pressure.
Yes, and so far, MBG Michi going for the blue buff as well. Pero mas naunang mukhang siya ang naunang mag-clear dito as Xin-Zhao is still waiting kung mayroong mag-i-invade. Medyo hindi, this is not, honestly, this is not what I'm expecting. And I'm a little bit surprised na may ano sila, they have a game plan kung anong gagawin nila.
Don't be fooled because they are girls. They can play again, like I said, girls got game. So let's not have a preconceived
medyo
notion.
naninibago pa ako, yan. Medyo naninibago lang ako. Again, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, good evening sa inyong lahat. MBG versus RKT, girls versus girls. Pero yun nga lang, by the end of the day, isa lang ang mananalo. At yan, hopefully, tama ang inyong hula.
Hula.
Okay, so far, CS count naman tayo. Top lane versus top lane matchup tayo. Shyvana and Shen. Anong masasabi mo dito, partner?
May namang si Shyvana just because she's fast, she has a good early game. Like you see now, there's the burnout, there's the engagement from her. Pero all Shen has to do is be passive right now.
Yes, pero eto siguro yung pinakamalaking difference sa pagdating sa mga guys that play LoL from girls. Level 2, may nagiging aggressive na. But so far, medyo ano lang sila dito.
Medyo relaxed. So I'm guessing
kalmado lang.
Both teams would want to invest in a much later game.
Yes, but seeing here, some action going to top lane. John Ray being a little bit aggressive dito kay Shen and CS kalmado lang. Okay, looking at the mid lane naman, this is the biggest difference that we are having right now. 21 CS of Morgana against 38 of Oriana. Wawawi. So, on just the 5-minute mark, nakakalamang na ng at least 3 minion waves dito si Oriana. And, nako, hindi kaya maging disadvantage to para
Not
sa
yet, partner.
MBG.
Kasi, Morgana, after a certain time, she would be able to basically clear waves faster. So, we'll just have to wait.
Okay, so far, yun nga sinasabi namin, relax TV muna tayo. Kalmado lang, pero make no mistake. Okay, hindi porket long hair sila at cute, hindi na sila palabas.
Wag magpaloko sa long hair at cuteness nila. They can play. Like I said, for the third time, girls got game, partner. Girls got game.
Eto, kung mapapansin nyo, ang galing din nila mag-last hit at mag-freeze ng lane as far as I can see here, ha. Hindi, yung CS count sila, although may slight difference, hindi pa sila ganun ka-aggressive, and so far, they're getting as much CS as possible.
Partner, if we can see here on the minimap, Xin Zhao is starting to be a bit gutsy.
Medyo,
she's going in.
Talagang Dora mode muna tayo ngayon. Iikot muna ako.
Hanapin na si Boots.
Okay. Hanapin ang creeps. This is a good part for the Rainbow Kitties. Kasi kung walang makukuhang CS dito, ang jungler ng kalaban, may iwan siya sa items and definitely may iwan siya sa level. Less threat siya na makagang.
Partner, especially Kha'Zix yan. Kha'Zix needs his stuff, his items to be effective. Although his Q does a lot of damage, he needs the stuff. He needs the gear.
Ayan, so far, 7 minutes into the game, wala pa tayong champion kills, pero...
No aggression yet, so...
Although, ito, nakakalamang sa CS ang mid lane ng Rainbow Kitties. The total team goal difference is almost the same. So,
it's barely any difference.
Yes.
So,
lamang ang Rainbow Kitties sa mid lane, pero lamang ang medyo bad girl sa bottom lane. And we'll see on how would this affect yun as the game progresses to the mid game and end game.
And partner, I'm hearing rumors that ang mid laner daw ng MBG can only play Cho'Gath, and I guess she has a lot to prove here.
Mukhang baited yata ang mga tao dun sa rumors na, because right now we're seeing that Erica is playing Morgana.
Yes. And for now we will see. And personally, partner, what I can say, I think that rumor is a bit far-fetched.
Yes.
But we will see.
Tingnan natin kung ano talaga ang kakalabasan. Pero so far, ayan, mukhang the strategy here for both teams
partner,
is to invest
the
properly.
ping there, it's an invade. If we can see in the minimap.
Yes, mukhang nagbabalak na naman. Wow! Ang aga ng ikot ng Berserker, Shyvana harassing Nyx, and tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari.
Kha'Zix is very far from this. We will see what happens, and it's a successful steal.
At eto na.
They can actually go for a gank here, because Kha'Zix is blindsided right now. There's no ward.
Kung ako si Kha'Zix, pagdating ko na wala na aabutan, medyo sasama loob ko.
Nakakasama na loob.
Wala na akong box!
I think this is a gank at the top lane. It might be.
Ang ganda na magpasok.
Oh, that was a good play by Shyvana.
Ang ganda na pagtapos.
Using the Dragon Dive to actually go out of the fight.
Yes,
now
forced to use doon. Na-burn din ang shockwave doon ni Orianna, and what happened was advantage para sa Team MBG kasi ultimates have been used.
Yes. So, partner, those were good disengages. I guess aggression is a bit scaled down. So, I think we are going to see a very long game here.
Yeah, mukhang medyo matagal-tagal itong game na to. Pero so far, we're seeing here that RKT Jelly is very, very effective in terms of how she uses the jungle to maximize the advantage of the Rainbow Kitties.
Yes, and so far that would put a lot of strain on Kha'Zix kasi he needs the farming. I mean, he needs the gold. So, and now we might see an engagement here.
Eto na po, pumasok na. Caitlyn mukhang na-slow dahil sa red buff na target ni Kha'Zix, pero na-exhaust.
Might fall down here.
Wow! Solar Flare, panakas, and good disengage coming from RKT.
The disengages here, it's really safe.
Pasintabi po sa lahat na nanonood, hindi po sila lahat single. Yung iba po dyan taken, wag na po kayo magbalak. Okay? Inuunahan ko na po kayo, alam ko na nasa isip nyo kasi nakikita nyo yung excerpts ng mukha nila.
And
bahala kayong sumugal. Wala po kami pananagutan.
Huwag niyo po kaming tanungin for their numbers. Hindi po namin alam.
Hindi ko rin po alam. Wala kaming pananagutan sa kahit anumang sakit ng katawan na aabutin nyo pag binalak nyo po silang i-PM. Okay, wag nyo po kaming sisisihin. Maraming salamat po. At back to the ball game po ulit tayo. Okay. Attempted gank sa top lane from Rainbow Kitties. However, counter ito ng attempted gank sa bot lane ng MBG. Both are still...
It's a safe game. They're feeling each other out in how they will go about this game, pero it's very chill.
Yes! 0-0 ang champion score natin at ang goal difference pa rin.
Almost the same!
Equal na equal, but we're seeing here Shyvana very, very aggressive.
And there's a dash, and again, it's a good disengage. The flame breath pokes though. It will hurt at some point.
Medyo masakit siya. Medyo masakit lang. And eto na tayo. Looking at the CS Scout, since wala naman tayong intense action pa. Top lane,
Almost the same.
Goes to MBG. Jungle, although 6 CS ang delay dito ng ni Jelly, lamang siya in terms of jungle rotation and buffs. Mid lane, doon medyo lumalaki na.
There's a noticeable difference.
Yes, and sa bot lane is almost nakahabol na. Kanina lamang si Lucian, ngayon si Caitlyn ay nakakahabol.
Partner, it's Morgana. I mean, at first, her Tormented Soil does not really clear waves that fast.
Hindi pa masakit yung putik, pero pag tumagal, medyo lumulubog ka na.
May amoy pa yung Tormented Soil, ano?
Ayan, medyo, nakikita po natin dito na hindi sila ganun ka-aggressive compared sa
aggression just yet. I actually expected Caitlyn and Leona to be more aggressive.
Yun din inisip ko talagang Asim Gaming, pero talagang pag hindi mo talaga mape-predict, especially kapag this is the first time that you're seeing two girl teams collide in the match.
I think more of a feeling out process. I wish this was a best of 3 game so we can see yung strategies
kung paano nila maka-counter yung counter picks nito. Pero so far, pagdating in the late game, tingin mo sinong mas makakalamang?
Just from the lineups, I would say MBG, just because meron silang Shyvana, Kha'Zix, this Lucian. That's a lot of high burst damage. There's AoE in it. Meron silang heal. It looks more cohesive to me for the late game.
Ang isang napansin ko lang din, yung kay John Ray, supposedly, was it advisable to use Ignite instead of Teleport since none may Shen? What do you think about this one?
I think okay yung Ignite just so she can actually finish out Shen. Kung pipilitin niya engage, she can actually pull through with the kill.
And wow, engage under the tower!
That was a good bind!
First blood, lakas ng loob!
Balls, Sparks!
Ayan, may itlog po ang ating mga players ngayong gabi. What happened was Shockwave initiation galing kay Orianna, pinasok ni Xin Zhao, and although may CC, may crowd control dito si Morgana, it wasn't enough to prevent the first blood kill. So ayan, ngayong gabi, after 12 minutes, meron na po tayong first kill of the game.
Yes, partner, and I would have to say that audacious charge from Xin Zhao really guts.
Yes, sobrang critical nung pangyayari.
Kasi we're seeing Shyvana trying to bully out Shen. This is a good decision from Shyvana.
Oh, ayan, quote-in-quote, nang mamama na po ang dragon sa taas.
Minamama na niya.
Ayan. And so far dito sa bot lane naman, good harassment coming from MBG. However, medyo nakabawi dito ang Rainbow.
And partner, Caitlyn and Leona has to make a play here. Nawawala ng early game advantage ni Caitlyn kasi as the game progresses, Lucian will also scale. And here's Shyvana trying to kill out the top lane. There's a good dive. He might fall here. And he survives, and that was a good flash.
Nakita mo kung gaano kakapal ang buhay dito ng Dragon. Promise, ilang tira ng Torian pero follow up! Wow. Jelly, and replay tayo dito. Good talk pero follow-up ultimate. Dragon's Descent coming from John Ray. Nag-flash si Nyx para ma-miss ang pagbuga ng apoy. Yun nga lang.
Partner, Shyvana shouldn't have stayed there for a good 2 seconds. Yung burnout damage, it still hurts.
Babad na babad.
Babad na babad.
At eto, nakita mo yung second time na naman nakakuha ng blue buff dito.
So basically, the game plan for Xin Zhao here is basically deny Kha'Zix the blue buff for the rest of the game.
Isa lang ang strategy ngayon nakikita natin ni RTT Jelly, paugin ang jungle. And so far, eto, sa lahat ng nakita mo, Shockwave being initiated, MBG Mochi, critical ang buhay at iyon. Isang command, paktay ka niya ito, Johnson.
Even though with Jelly dying, they are still going for it. That was a good
tibay at lakas sa loob. John Ray, critical, onti na lang ang Black Shield ay mauubos na. Isang Q na lang.
Great disengage.
Medyo napakamot doon si MBG Michi, at eto naman tayo bot lane na mukhang sinabay-sabay nila action.
That's a good decision kasi there's no one to be coming from RKT, so they have to push the pace.
Grabe, nagsisimula na ang pressure ng Rainbow Kitties dito sa MBG, pero so far MBG holding up pretty well with the 2-3 score for tonight, and Tornado being used pero walang tinamaan.
And
Leona and
partner,
Caitlyn walks
I
away.
just want to take this opportunity, while medyo kalmado pa tayo. Don't forget to check us out sa Rumble Royale community Facebook page, Rumble Royale Twitter, and Rumble Royale Instagram. And for now, the goal difference is...
Yan, makita natin kung kanino nakababad ang ginto ng dalawang team. We have here for the mid lane 5,200 against 4,200. Sa ADRs, it's dead even. So, ang pinaka-basis dito, mid lane talaga ang
mid lane
baryan.
talaga. And as you can see, Morgana is starting to catch up as expected. Pero Orianna can clear waves fast. So, hindi natin makita yung paghabol niya eh.
Yes.
So, we'll see.
So, ito, difference in builds. Shyvana going for the Blade of the Ruined King and Shen going for the Sunfire Cave. Tingin mo, lane-wise, sino?
Lane-wise, it's gonna be Shyvana. Because she can wave clear, she can slow, and she can bully out Shen.
Yan, speaking of bully out, yan.
Yeah, it's happening now.
RKT next right forced to use the taunt para lang hindi tamaan at hindi masunog sa apoy ni Shyvana. So, ibig sabihin ng artificial yung apoy ni
artificial Becky yung apoy.
Ni Shen, yung ang legit yung kay Shyvana.
Hindi yun body odor na
Colorum
na body odor. Mag-workout ka kasi.
At yan, Dragon, uncontested.
Para first dragon of the game goes to...
Ang ganda talaga ng mga ngiti. Hindi ko masisisi yung ibang tao dito kung mapipilitan silang huntingin.
Partner, I just want to put a disclaimer. Again, hindi po namin alam ang phone numbers nila at ang FB nila.
Wala po kaming pananagutan sa kahit ano may mangyayari sa inyo pag kinontak nyo ang mga babaeng players na to. Kayo ang responsable kapag nagkaroon kayo ng sakit ng katawan. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, may announcement na. And so far, John Ray pushing the minion wave para makagank siya sa mid lane. However, wow! Ang ganda ng pakiramdam niya. Hindi pa niya tinatapakan yung wards na nilagay doon ng RKT. So far, so good. Total team gold difference natin is only at least 1,000 in favor of the Rainbow Kitties. Hero kills natin 2 against 3.
So, I guess it's a farming game for now.
Yes.
The late game, there is going to be a slight advantage for Shyvana here. The late game, however, for the bot lane, Lucian and John, I guess, would have an advantage here.
Nag-usap ba tong mga to bago maglaro? Parang alam nila yung gagawin ng bawat. Parang
hindi natin masabi, partner, but
relax muna tayo. First 30 minutes of the game, sabay go all in. Again. Medyo naninibago talaga ako, promise, kasi unusual na makakita ka ng
partner,
game na...
I have to remind you that girls got game.
Yes.
How much can I say that girls got game, partner? So wag kang magulat with their skill level. They're very good players.
Yes.
Let's focus on the game, partner.
Yan, oo nga pala, speaking of game, isang malaking tanong ko, bakit hindi na lang nila gawin na isang tournament na lang para sa lahat?
And that was a good
shockwave!
And once she gets it.
At yun, sunog sa Ignite at tuwang-tuwa ay medyo, ayan, ngiting tagumpay.
Yes! It was a good wait for her. I mean, sulit na sulit.
Sulit na sila. At eto naman tayo, Exhaust being powered. Xinjiao going in, pero
good disengage.
Wow!
Wow, and now we will see Morgana actually joining the fight here. She will pop her ultimate, catching out just Xinjiao. They will all turn back now.
Ayan, masigabong clap-clap sa napakagandang disengage doon.
Mga engagement doon. I wish there was more blood to be spilled. Pero
napaka-ingat nila, Hindi sila itong personification ng do not overcommit.
Yes. They don't want to too much, partner.
Bira makita ng game na yung in the 20-minute mark na less than 2 digits yung kills and deaths ng both teams.
Mababa yung kill count, but there are plays to be made here.
Pero
Leona, you are in trouble, but she gets out
tamang kalmada. And we're seeing here a different pacing na dito coming from Team MBG. Kanina nasa laning phase lang sila, ngayon nagro-rotate na sila sama-sama.
Yes.
And so far, ito pa rin, basic story sa top lane. Farm all you want, unless needed.
Partner, the thing to note there is, and we can see another invade.
Ito na naman, pangatlo na to.
Pangatlo na, partner. Nakakasama na siya ng loob, kung ako sinabi.
Ang tawag dyan, consistency mang-asar.
Oo. Consistent mang-asar si Te.
Consistent ka mang-asar. Pinapaasa mo yung kabilang team na may
yes,
back silang abutan.
Again, here there was a good dash charge, there was a dash there.
Ang ganda ng combo ng command papunta kay Xinjiao, sabay sabay shockwave, pero yun nga lang, the damage is still not enough para mapatay mo ang tanke.
Because Shen was using a Sunfire, there was a health component to it. I guess the damage is not enough. And we'll see for the next engagements if they can actually
At ito, objective being targeted by Team MBG. Now they're focusing the top lane at for sure, wasak to. So this is going to be the first turret in this one. At ayan, dito naman tayo sa bot lane. Patuloy pa rin ang pagpe-pressure dito ni Shane laban kay Jav at kay Ro. Tingnan natin kung magiging effective ba to. But so far, CS count 186 against 189. Talagang dead even to. Ang pagitan lang, wala pang isang minion wave.
Yes, partner, it's very close.
And ito, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, again, welcome to our cute division Rumble Royale. I'm Kajo and I'm with
Captain PH.
Yan. So, pinapanood natin ngayong gabi, Team Medyo Bad Girl against Rainbow Kitties.
And, partner, I just want to take this opportunity to tell our viewers again, do check us out at rumbleroyale.com. You can check our Twitter, our Facebook page, and you can check our Instagram page.
At yan, sa mga nagbumoto sa spin to win, magdasal na kayo kung sino ang mananalo ngayong gabi. Kasi so far, unpredictable pa ang mga nangyayari. Pero yun nga lang, kung ako si Michi, medyo mababad trip na ako as Xin Zhao has been very consistent in timing the spawn time of the buffs. Grab. Blue buff.
May asar factor yata dun eh. May parang, it's part of the plan to psych her out na parang iinisin niya with counter.
Siguro kung pang-5 na yan, medyo bad trip na ako.
Ano yan, partner, building out the frustration para they make her take more risks. And from what we can see from the minimap here, Shyvana was planning something there. It was very sneaky, but I guess the no engagements was actually done there.
Yan ang nangyayari ngayon. CS game tayo kahit natag-ulan na uso pa rin magsaka. Farming game tayo.
Magsasaka.
Yes. And very patient ang ating mga lovely ladies ngayong gabi sa pag-antay ng opportunity kung kailan sila papasok.
Partner, just want to remind everyone again, huwag papaloko kahit itong mga ating gorgeous ladies here. They can play. Girls got game.
Naman, spawn na po ang dragon natin. And so far, Rainbow Kitties is on the position again.
MVG here has an idea. They think they have a feeling that they're doing dragon.
Pero mukhang
it is uncontested.
Muntik na!
Close steal, very close steal.
Muntik ng tamaan, pero yun nga lang, napunta pa rin sa Rainbow Kitties ang dragon. So
I guess that's the power smite.
2 dragons being taken by the Rainbow Kitties.
Yes, and that would be a 2,000 gold lead.
Yan, at least naggumalaw-galaw na rin ng onte.
Yes.
Grabe, hindi pa rin ako maka-get over na ang galing pa rin nilang mag-CS.
Yes. And again, don't be fooled. Kahit sila ay beautiful ladies, they can play.
Ayan, ito pagkatapos ng game, promise, I moved that dapat hindi na dapat sila magkaroon ng hiwalay na division, on my personal opinion. Supposedly, with this caliber of gameplay, kaya-kaya na rin nila sumabay to most teams na sumasali sa tournaments
I would have to say, let them join the guys. I mean,
palaban naman talaga. Ito na tayo. Engagement happening in the mid lane. Good disengage. Coming from RKT. Munti ka na.
And I would have to note the use of the crescent sweep there by Xin Zhao.
Gandang pang disengage lang. Pero yun nga lang, I think na-burn dito ang flash niya, which is I think hindi naman ganun kailangan. So far, goal difference natin dito, top lane 7-5 to 5,000. Again, 5-5 against 5-9. Pero habang nangyayari yun, sinasabi ko yun, may pangyayari naman yun sa bot lane. At last, may action na. Leona going in, taking the bulk of the damage from MBG Shade. Pero on the other hand, good kiting coming from Jav. At medyo nabawas-bawasan ang buhay doon ni Lucian.
And partner, you can see Xin Zhao there, just waiting, biding his time for a good engagement here. So we will see what they are planning something here.
Hinahayaan mo, kiniklear muna yung wave at mukhang bababa na siya dito. Pero so far, so good. Score natin, lamang pa rin champion kills ang RKT 2 against 4.
Pero yun nga lang, nakakalamang pa rin dito ang Team MBG ng isa pang taking down one turret.
So that's more map control, but partner, we will see the actual implications of having that turret being down, ano?
So far nakikita naman natin na
they're starting to sweep.
Nakakapag-farm pa rin si Shen sa top lane. So slowly but surely nakakahabol sa CS, and MBG Michi still having a hard time.
That was a good shockwave.
Wow! At good flash, yun nga lang may ignite, at yun ang katangkihan ni John Ray. Hindi kinaya kahit Torre, kinulang sa damage. Okay, flash sa muka.
Flash sa muka.
At yan ang nangyari on 3 against 4 na ang champion kills natin. And so far, medyo
kalmado pa rin.
Kalma.
I think they're both going for the late game.
Na-predict ko na yung parang flow nito. Parang every 5 minutes may mangyaring clash, tapos ganyan.
Ang parang pakiramdam ko, this will all boil down to one big fight.
Isang one time big time to kapag may na-sweep dito.
All in, ano, partner?
Mukhang yun na. At ito, bumabawi na dito ang Rainbow Kitties. Next, mukhang since walang teleport dito si Shyvana, free farm sa top lane, at ito mukhang tutumba na ang
she will be able
outer
to take
top
this.
turret dito ng Metro Battery. At yun nga, wasak na ang turret mga kaibigan, at ito na. Wow!
So
mukhang magiging successful na sila sa pagkuha ng blue buff. At si Xin Xiao ay wala sa position para mambuwisat ulit. At yan, congratulations ating Michi, may blue buff ka na. Ay, hindi pala, nakuha pa ni Morgana. Medyo tadhana nga naman.
Ano yan, partner?
Strategy.
Taking one for the team. Mas kailangan ni Morgana yung blue buff.
Grabe. Kung ako yun, promise kung ako yun, kukunin ko na lang, hindi ko nabibigay sa teammate ko. Mas sobrang stress ko.
Akin na yung blue buff mo. Akin na yung blue buff mo, Tay.
Kahit pa-experience, kahit isa lang.
Pero isa naman siya kanina.
So ayan, CS counts tayo. CS count. Okay, 202 against 189 top lane. Jungle, 86 against 64. Mid lane, 188 against 230.
They are planning something
attempted gank coming from John Ray, pero RKT Black just walks away.
Shyvana is also converging to the bot lane, and
may binabalak sila dito.
They are planning something here, partner.
Mukhang yan na, pero good decision coming from Ro having a
and
ward.
And saw Shyvana with the trap.
Yes, at eto na, pumasok. Na-Q, na-stun, at eto, focus fire. John Ray, gising niya lahat ng damage. Open shoot ang
thrown out. It's very chaotic.
Eto na mga kaibigan, labanan, pero mukhang medyo bad girl having the advantage.
That was a good
my God, wow.
Follow-up. She kills Kha'Zix, but we will see. Shen, very tanky here, not falling that shield though.
Ang gandang pagtakas doon, kung hindi dahil dun sa shield, patay ka na sana, pero buhay ka diha. RKT Black, hinahabol
and they're chasing her out. We will see here.
Patay, replay tayo.
That shockwave takes 4 people.
Nakuha ang shockwave, yun nga lang, marami ng critical sa RKT at yun.
Partner, had they been all 5 there and they had someone else with an AoE, that would be disastrous.
Nasa-stress na si RKT Black at tuwang-tuwa din si Mo. Sa wakas! Nakabawi rin! Kahit wala akong blue buff, patay kayo! Ayan ang
patay ka diha!
Nararamdaman ko siya,
ramdam ko ang emosyon ni
sir! At ayan, going back to the ball game, ahead na tayo. For the first time, ahead ng Team MBG in terms of kills and gold. Okay, 7 against 5 and
roughly 1,000 gold difference.
At yan, third dragon, nag-spawn na ulit. Pangatlong buhay ng dragon, reincarnated na. Tingnan natin kung mako-contest pa to, pero mukhang
MBG is in no position.
Mukhang pauwi sila at ibibigay na muna nila ang dragon sa RKT. Pero wag kang kukurap. Ito, naglagay ng ward.
They might be able to take this.
Hindi nagtitipid, naninigurado. Naglagay na ng site ward, naglagay pa ng vision ward.
Bawal magtipid.
Bawal magtipid. Ito na, isang sundot na lang. Mukhang hindi na pumasok dito si Michi.
Yes,
at medyo,
we have equal goals.
Medyo delikado. At yan, nakita natin ang kagandahan na naman ng ating mga girl players.
Pero magandang dilag, ano?
Okay, pasintabi. Hindi po lahat single. Huwag kayong magbalak. Malas nyo na lang pag na-tempo kayo sa Taken na. Naku, mahaba-habang usapan yan. Pero nonetheless, okay, so far, third dragon of the game, perfect score pa rin dito ang Rainbow Kitties.
3 of 3.
At so far, doon sa strategy kanina, doon sa nangyaring flash doon sa bot lane, tingin mo, paano ma-maximize sana yun ng Rainbow Kitties kung
had Leona been alive with that engagement and Oriana wasn't a bit late, after the shockwave, solar flare would have been thrown there, it would have been over.
Yes, pero yun nga, credits pa rin para kay RKT Black for saving Nyx dun sa yung clutch na shield
clutch command protect there, yes.
Ibang klase yun. Kahit ako na napatayo sa upo ako. Akala ko mamamatay na.
Tumigil ang puso ko, partner.
Yeah. Medyo nagkaroon ng naging irregular ang heartbeat ko doon. And so far, dito naman tayo. MBG now focusing on the mid lane. Tingnan natin kung anong pressure na bibigay nila sa Team Rainbow Kitties. And
we'll see how Team Rainbow Kitties
paano sila mag-react dito. Ang buhay ng outer turret ng mid ay paubos na. Jandre taking the lead.
They might force something here.
Wasak na.
And they go back. And that's a good turret down there.
Yan, grabe. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood, thumbs up naman dyan sa mga YouTube users natin dyan.
Don't forget to subscribe, ladies and gentlemen.
And syempre, leave a comment kung may gusto kayo sabihin. Except, okay, walang magpo-post ng magtatanong ng number. Promise, hindi.
Opo, wala po kaming number ng mga magagandang dilag na
yes. At eto na tayo. Black going in, follow up by Jelly. Shockwave! Away po! And late disengage. Medyo nahuli yun.
She might take this. And Caitlyn takes.
Ay! Narinig mo yung sigaw. Ay! May namatay, may sumigaw. Yun nga lang. Good job coming from Team Rainbow Kitties. Nakapatay ka na ng 3.
Gusto mo pa?
May tore ka pa. Ayan ang combo ngayon. 3-in-1. Okay,
parang kape lang, partner. Instant coffee.
Hindi na po kami magpa-plug ng kahit anong kape. Basta kape po yan.
Basta kape.
Not wasting any time. Okay, Team RKT pushing and successfully.
And they are actually pushing the pace. That was 2 turrets down and 1 push.
Ito na, parang diesel lang pala tong
nagpapainit.
Kasi mula medyo malamig-lamig pa, pero pag gumamit
Ivana goes in for kill, but she might die here.
Ayan! Medyo nasobrahan sa pag-commit doon.
If you saw that play, they bounced the tower aggro right. That was a missed taunt. Michi is in trouble here. She's out of position. They might
get ito na! Umama ang ulti pero hindi sapat.
And Lucian is actually chasing out.
Ang ganda ng pagkakasunod doon mga kaibigan. At eto na, speed up! Shane chase down at tinatin ko mga ang ganda ng blink doon by wow! Mapapatili ka sa sarapat. Anong nangyari? Bakit kinot ni Shen? Pero so far, so good.
Partner, nalilimutan kong babae yung mga naglalaro. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but my heart is just stopping.
Flash tornado, okay, sa lahat. Kaya panigurado, may mga natutunan yung mga nanonood ngayon.
Yes, partner.
Kahit ako namangha ako nung pwede pala yun.
Pwede pala yun.
Ang galing. And good comeback coming from Team Medyo Bad Girls. Score natin ngayon, 9. Total team goal difference. Ahead sila ng about 1,500. But at this point in the game, hindi na ramdam to. Sobrang laki na ng gold ng both teams. O, aabot na ng 50,000 mark. And 1.5k is
negligible.
Medyo sundot na lang yun. Pero nga lang, lamang pa rin sa towers taken down dito ang Team MBG. Evenly spread out kasi especially doon sa bottom lane open. Pero the biggest priority right now is darating na tayo dun sa point na game changer kung sino panigurado kung sino makakuha ng baron dito. Yun na ang magwarugi. And congratulations again to Team MBG. Nakuha na nila ang kanyang second blue buff for the game. Okay.
Medyo hindi nakaposisyon si Jelly para kunin ang blue buff.
Bawas asar factor.
Oo. Nakaka-recover na sila doon.
May confidence boost.
So pag nakita mo mamaya si Kha'Zix, siningle out si Xin Zhao,
alam na may pinaghuhugutan.
May pinaghuhugutan.
At eto, ayun, hindi nakuha yung blue buff pero mukhang tumambay at nakuha naman niya ngayon ang red buff. So mukha talagang consistent siya sa pang-asar.
May agenda siya ngayon talaga for Michi. And,
hindi naman sila magkaaway na siguro wala naman silang personal na issue.
Hindi naman siguro, partner.
Laro-laro.
Okay. Walang personalan, trabaho lang.
Ayan. So, yeah. Medyo, we are now entering the 35-minute mark na ng game. Wow! 35 minutes. And still, hindi pa double digits ang kills natin dito.
Yes. They're playing very safe. Both teams being
talagang
cautious.
this shows na may respeto yung both teams sa isa't isa. Kasi
Yes, partner.
hindi sila nag-overcommit and they select their clashes wisely.
Yes. And, partner, there is something brewing in the mid lane here.
Yeah, meron na nangyari pa habang medyo stay put sila dito. 300 CS na po ang ADRs mga kaibigan. Ang laki.
Laki na.
Bira ka makakita sa isang laro na umaabot ng 300 CS at onting sundot na lang item block.
And the dragon is here. It might be
ito nga ba, magiging first dragon ba to ng MBG o maagaw pa to ng RKT?
And partner, Shen is still pushing the top.
Yan.
Shen doing Shen.
So, eto na. Ang bilis maubos ng buhay ng dragon. Eto na, pasok.
And Ro was caught out.
Leona, pasok si Jelly. Focus fire kay John.
Jelly goes in for Lucian. That was a good ultimate for Leona. They go in. Heals coming out. That was a good shockwave.
Good shockwave, pero a little bit too late. Jump.
There was no follow-up. Shen was still going through the top lane. Partner, Shen should have ultimate.
Grabe. Ano may nangyari dito? Masyado nag-overcommit dito si Jelly. Good ultimate coming from Leona. Yun nga lang, the shockwave was a little bit too late. Masyado nang naubos yung buhay ng tanks and this gave an opportunity for MBG to trample down.
That was a crazy fight, partner. I mean, I think Shen should have used this a bit
earlier. Yes, especially nung na-focus pa rin si Jelly. Magandang pasukin na yun. Kasi kung pumasok yung taunt, at nag-ultimate doon sa shockwave, promise, picture taking, yung 2-second picture taking, malaking
million na pa, partner. And that is the first inhibitor of the game, courtesy of MBG.
So yun ang nakuhang benefits dito ng MBG. Naka-dragon ka na, nakapatay ka pa ng champion, may inhibitor.
Bumabawi sila, partner.
Ayan,
gumagante. Gumagante.
Nag-check ng box kung meron.
So kanino mo pang kinukuha ang blue buff ko, te?
Medyo azar na ako.
Azar.
At yan, 13-9 na score natin. Lamang na ang MBG. Another volleyball of
RKT here, partner. They might try for this Baron. And it's not a cheeky attempt.
At eto, Shane! Sakto paglagay ng ward.
And Shane is caught out.
Oh my God! Takbo! Pero yun nga.
That was a good ultimate by Bro.
Wow! Sabay labas. Ngiting tagumpay na naman tayo. Medyo si Michi ay nag-i-stress na and one man down ngayon.
And this might be an uncontested Baron.
Wala sila sa posisyon para pumasok.
Jab is in a crazy position here.
At eto.
They are killing Baron. Shyvana uses Dragon Descent to go out.
Good trade coming from MBG, pero yun nga lang, the damage output of RKT is so much na patay na
agad. Wala si Shane doon, partner. They are not in the street fight.
Arrego! Going in at eto, sunod-sunod na. Sino ang mag-target sila?
Aika just use her ultimate to peel out. John Ryu comes out alive.
At eto na, replay mode tayo dito. Row, pumasok, tatlo, apat ang hinarap at yan, naging sacrifice para sa team Rainbow Kitties.
Taking one for the team, partner. Ganun talaga tayo sa competitive, partner. Hindi pang sarili ang
kaya yung mga support dyan, huwag kayong mahihiyang mamatay. Siguraduhin nyo lang pag namatay kayo, may kapalit. Nakakahiyang mamatay mag-isa.
Ang mamatay ng dahil
sa'yo. Ayan, ganyan ang mga Pilipino. Okay. Loyal. Basta may benefits yung team.
Matuto tayo kay Rizal.
Ang tawag dyan, death with benefits. Patay ka, pero nakinabang yung iba.
Parang nagsaing ka, pero iba kumain.
Ikaw yung nagsaing, niluto mo lahat.
Tapos iba yung kumain.
Tapos ang sabi lang, ang kinain mo lang, thank you. So ayan, going back to the ball game tayo. 14-2 lamang pa rin ng MBG kahit yun ang nangyari. Good initiation! Palapir, the jab block combination. Patay ka diha.
There's another replay for you.
Eto, target sa nila.
That shockwave pulls them back. Picture perfect ultimate. And you will see Cosmos fall down the platform.
Grabe.
The engagement.
Ate, medyo nakasimangot ngayon si Ate Meiji. Hindi na din maganda.
And partner, may blue buff na naman si Ate.
Yes, third blue buff para sa Team MBG. Mukhang na-shutdown na nila yung pagiging aggressive sa jungle dito ni RKT Jelly. And so far, 14-14, tied na ang ating champion kills. Pero sa gold, medyo lamang lang ng onting-onti ang Team RKT. Sa CS, grabe. pataas na lang pataas ang kanilang CS at pag kung titingnan nyo yung mga items nila, onting sundot na lang din. Kahit yung mga supports magka-item lock na. Galit na galit.
Partner, there's a 70 CS difference between Morgana and Orianna. So, I guess nahirapan siya from the early game poke Orianna with this game.
Pero yun nga, wag ka. Laki ang so far nakakatulong din dito si Morgana, especially sa initiation.
Yes, of course, pagdating
sa team fight. At yan,
Black Shield.
Yes, another objective being taken by the Rainbow Kitties. At a good clean up dito from Shane using his ultimate para hindi na lalong ma-push yung bot.
For partner, the pressure now goes back to MBG. Now they have taken the mid turret, they have to follow up, and now the inhibitor respawn, they have to take it back so they can maintain the advantage.
Kung napapansin mo rin, medyo hindi ko lang alam kung baka naglalaks dito ang Rainbow Kitties. Wala na silang masyadong wards dun sa map, especially dun sa side ng MBG, knowing that you have the advantage. Supposedly, dapat nagiging aggressive ka.
It could be, partner, that they don't see the goal lead. I mean, if you can see just with the map, lamang ang MBG, but RKT, I think they don't realize lamang sila sa gold, partner. Yes. It's actually roughly a 3,000 gold difference. So
hanggang ngayon, nag-iingat pa rin sila.
Ingat pa rin sila. So they don't want to basically have a bad team fight and throw the game.
At eto, so far, Team MBG converging in the mid lane. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyari. Again, thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan.
Leave us a comment and help us improve our show.
Yan, kung may napapansin kayo na kailangan at kulang at kaya dapat dagdag, sabihin nyo lang sa amin. We are more than happy.
Dagdag bawas.
To consider your opinions. At eto na naman tayo. Mukhang Shin Zhao going to split push habang si Shen as well nasa top lane.
And they're pinging for Dragon, ano? So, they might take this
uncontested. So, score natin sa Dragon ngayon, 3-1. Lamang RKT, tingnan natin.
Baka maging 4-1 na, partner. Kasi they are taking this and I guess, ngayon pa lang na-realize ng MBG. Let's see if they are fast enough, but I guess they are.
Medyo yung rotations nila, yan. So, yung rotations ng MBG is not more entirely focused on the Dragon. So, yes, uncontested dito para sa Rainbow.
But, this one will come down to the wire with like one good team fight, I guess. Ito na, it has the makings for that kind of game. That one team fight ends it all.
One wrong mistake, yun na.
Tapos na ang boxing.
Isang maling pagkakamali lang.
So this is tracking to
especially open ang inhibitor dito ng Rainbow Kitties. So kapag nag-commit dito at nag-decide na ang MBG, pag maganda ang posisyon nila, mukhang magkakausgahan na. Yun nga lang, kapag napasok ng Rainbow Kitties dito, si Shane, mukhang magkakabaliktaran na naman ng sitwasyon. At yan ang sinasabi ko, huwag kang magtitipid sa skill dahil nagko-cooldown yan.
Cooldown yan, gamitin ang cooldown.
Yes! So, eto na, mukhang nararamdaman ko na ang nalalapit na paghuhusga kung sino talaga ang magwawagi dito. Again, sa items pa lang nila, kitang-kita. At sa spawn times kapag namatay ka, mukhang isang flash lang talaga dito. Mukhang tapos na ang boxing. So far, ayan, RKT has decided to be a little bit aggressive now.
They're trying to gain vision, partner. Now Shen is going up top. This is very good for RKT. They're setting the pace. Kasi, partner, when Shen is split pushing, you have to go
obligado ka talaga may habula. And gaya na sinabi ko kanina, only Morgana has the teleport and Shyvana has ignite. So mukhang dito magiging magkakaroon ng difference kung talagang kung talagang right decision nga ba.
It could be the pivotal point of the game. So we will see.
Pero ito, good decision coming from Team MBG to push the mid lane, knowing that Shen is on the top lane pushing. Pero interestingly enough, Shen didn't use his ultimate kundi umuwi siya dito. At tingnan natin kung ano na mangyayari. Both teams going about the mid lane exchanges and poke damage being dished out here by
again, parang the calm before the storm. Poking each other out. Parang unang makadamage ng significant, they will go in for the kill. Once they smell blood, they go in for the kill.
Nagpapakiramdaman.
Nag-aamuyan na sila, no?
sundutan muna bago ang aktual na labanan. Medyo may onting suspense.
Pero partner, dapat lahat ng team fight may build up, may suspense.
Yan. At eto na, mukhang ang tanong, kung sakaling magkaroon na ng clash ngayon, sino ang mananalo? Sino sa tingin mo ang magkakaroon ng advantage?
It's hard to say, pero sa akin, the first one to kill the main damage dealer. So, for the side of RKT, kung mamamatay kagad si Orianna, they will lose the fight. Sa side ng MBG, if Lucian dies, they will lose the fight. So, we will see here, partner.
And kahit ako nahihirapan ako, bihira ka makakita ng mga laban na dead even in terms of item. Kasi halos item lock na sila.
Lahat. And you have to note here, partner, they are around 65,000 gold both teams.
Ayan.
Ang RKT,
makakabili na ho kayo ng bahay at lupa niya, may kasama pang paso. Ang dami ng ginto niya.
Lalagay mo na sa paso ang ginto.
Grabe. Okay, so far, pagdating na sa itemization, talagang...
And nakakuha ulit sila ng blue buff.
Na-paste na naman nila yung blue buff. Nakuha na naman ng RKT. And mukhang nag-i-aim sila dito for the Baron. Yun nga lang, nakitang dumaan dito si RKT Black at Shen.
Bit far out. They will take this.
Napakabilis na naman ng kanilang pagpatay sa Baron.
At catch by Morgana. Jelly goes in. Morgana is her ultimate. She is
Kumonek, tinamaan si Shen at mukhang
Kha'Zix might be dying here. Orianna poking. Jelly goes in again. And that was a good one by both Orianna and Shyvana.
Medyo hindi nagkasundo dito ang MDG. Sila yung na-spread out at yun nga, supposedly labang sila sa simula pero good re-engage dito coming from RKT and steamrolling again.
And again, partner, this might be it.
Mukhang what happened was a 4-4-9 exchange. Very much 100% advantage dito ang team RKT. May Baron ka na, muntik pang ma-ace at yan, nakapag-push ka pa.
Since they are in the position to actually push with that kasi may Baron sila eh.
Yes.
They can sustain the siege.
And with the items of John Ray, mukhang hindi na siya papansin dito. Auto-ignore habang inisira ang Kore at eto na. Ace mga kaibigan! Ace! At mukhang
si Rose masaya na, nakangiti na.
Ngiting tagumpay! Nalulusaw ako, nalulusaw ako.
Joining us here is the Monster Unleashed Beast of the Night, RKT Black. First of all, congratulations. What do you feel?
I feel happy. Shalala. Ayun, masaya kasi panalo kami. Tapos sa mga teammates ko, teamwork, ganun. Thank you sa lahat. Yun, tapos pa ba? Sa jungler namin, bida-bida. Ayun, tapos basta salamat sa TNC, Monster Drink, sa boyfriend ko na nandun lang. Tapos yun lang. Wala akong sabi. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, RKT Black, I noticed that you and RKT Jelly keep on stealing the enemy's blue. How did you do that? I mean, is it rehearsed or something?
Hindi. Actually, lang. Parang naisip lang namin na kunin yung blue tapos ward. Actually, winarda ni Jelly. Tapos wala pa dun yung jungler nila. Nakakuha na namin yung blue namin. Tapos parang gumaw na lang kami. Wala namang nag-back up. Ganun. So, kinuha namin. Hindi namin tinatiman or what. Iniisip lang namin na after ng blue namin, may blue na sila. So, pupunta namin dun. Ganun. Tapos, alam namin na hindi sila nag-wards dun. So, ayun, nakita nyo, nagka-clash dun sa blue. Kasi inabangan namin sila. Ayun.
After RKT got aced and MBG took the last mid turret and your inhibitor, what was your plan after that?
Yung plan namin na after nun is i-push yung mid lane. Tapos alam namin na magbaback sila. Tapos magre-regen sila. Pinush namin ng konti until first tower sa mid. Tapos nag-BR kami. Ay, actually, hindi na... plano talaga namin nun mag-BR. Doon namin nakita yung Lucian, nag-TP siya doon. So, sabi ko kay Ro, pasukin na niya yun. Tapos ayun, napitas namin. So, yun, mas more chance na makuha namin yung Baron.
Congratulations again, RKT Black and the Rainbow Kitties. High five!
High five! Thank you! Yay!
Joining us here is MBG Shane. First of all, Shane, that was such a close fight. What are your thoughts about the game?
Sad. Pero okay lang. Sobra. Ano naman close game. Ayun lang.
So Shane, what went wrong on that last Baron fight?
Pahuli ako Yun dun sa bush, diba? Nahuli ako ng Leona. Tapos nakapag-Baron sila 2 beses, walang wards. Tapos yung call kasi namin iba-iba. May kanya-kanya silang mundo.
So Shane, what would you have done differently?
Yung sa dapat kasi yung sa, di ba nagkamali kami yun doon sa red. Tapos nahuli kami 2 ni pangalan nun? Michi. Tapos ayun, nahuli na kami. Tapos nakapag-Baron na naman sila ng 2 beses na nakapag-Baron. Tapos hindi namin nasisecure agad yung DR. Ayun lang, laging nagkakamali sa call. Yun lang.
Even though the game was close fight, you, the team, and you've been glorious. So just give me a peace bomb right now. Okay. Yo! Yo! Now that we've met our MVP, let's take a look at the TNC play of the game, brought to you by our ally, thenet.com. Now that does it for this week. But before we go, let's take a look at what's in store for us for the next Rumble Royale Road to Glory this coming Tuesday.
Next Tuesday, a rematch between IPT and MSI takes place in the arenas of Rumble Royale. And this time, IPT will bring a new challenger to the battlefield.
That's it for today's show. Thank you to our sponsor, Monster Energy Drink, and our ally, thenet.com, and to you, the fans, for tuning in. My name is Ian, and I'll see you at the next Rumble Royale Cute Division. And don't forget, watch, vote, spin, and reign supreme.